A massive stone block stands tall on a hill. It looks like a giant crown carved from rock. This is the Voortrekker Monument, a place made of silence and heavy history. Long ago, people traveled across a wild land in wooden wagons. They faced great danger and hard winters to find a new home. This building was made to remember their long journey. Inside, the air is cold and the walls tell a story in stone. The most amazing part happens only once a year. On a special day in December, a single ray of sun shines through a hole in the roof. The light falls directly on a stone grave far below. It glows like a golden fire in the dark room. It feels as if the past is reaching out to touch the present. Though the world changes, this stone remains. It is a silent giant watching over the plains forever.